Oh, good morning. May itlog kaming nakuha. Yes. Brown egg. Thank you, Lord. It's a blessing. Nangingitlog na sila. Nakunuga. It's a brown egg. Ito pala yung itlog ng mga Rhode Island. Rhode Island na manok. Laki. Brown egg. Nakakuha na kami ng itlog.